Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today is look number 2 using the LaColors GLAM Color Block Eyeshadow Palette. I am loving how this look came out as well. You guys need to get to the Dollar General and grab this palette up for $3. Some look number 2 totally brings me back. Of course, we're priming our lids with the Covergirl lid block up and Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe loose powder under our eyes to catch our fallout because we're using the darkest shades in the palette today. This look just brings me back to the classic smoky eye. We are using the third lid shade in the palette. I am buffing that in the crease. I'm going to work on this and build it up a bit. This is going to be our transition shade for our crease, other shades to blend out into, and for our brow bone highlight to blend out into as well. So once that's set, we're moving on to the darkest shade in the palette, which is this like dark kind of black shade. I think it's supposed to be black, but it's not super black. It's more like a real dark smoky gray. And I'm applying that in the outer corner and the inner corner, and I'm just going to build that up a little bit with a pencil brush. Pencil brushes are great not only for your inner corner lower lash line, but for your inner and outer corner as well, because they help you get into really small tight spaces. So once again, just kind of building that up. And I'm wiping this pencil brush off because we're going to pick up another shade. We're picking up the crease shade right above the darkest shade in the palette. And we're going to be applying that next to the dark shade, almost into the center lid. And that's for them to have something to kind of blend out into, and it's not a stark transition. I love the blending process of this. Now, we're also going to be taking that shade in the crease as the halo part in the crease instead of taking the darkest shade in the crease, because I don't want to close my eye off too much. But this is totally like the classic smoky eye. I love it, except for it's a halo version. We're taking the nude skin tone highlight in the palette, and I'm applying that to the brow bone, and I'm using that to blend down all the edges of the crease shade. And we're going to take our crease brush and once again buff over those edges and mesh the crease shade with the brow bone highlight. WetnWild Photofocus concealer in the center of the lid. Of course, I'm blending that out, picking up any excess concealer that might crease and wiping that off on my towel. So for the lid, we're taking the shimmery white highlight shade in the palette, and we are going to press that into the concealer in the center of the lid. This is literally only going on where we place the concealer, and it's bright and highlighted, and I love it. For the lower lash line, you can see that I'm cleaning that out, and on the pencil brush, I'm actually taking the second shade we used in the inner and outer corner and use that as the blending shade that's on the lower lash line. Now that's NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, and I'm going to be blending that out. And we're going to be placing the shimmery white highlight shade in the inner corner as well. You have to have an inner corner highlight with looks like this, because I honestly, just personally, cannot stand my eyes being closed off. So I have to have a highlight shade there. But that's completely optional. So today I'm just going to tightline using the Jordana Black Point eyeliner pencil in the upper waterline and the lower lash line and waterline, and just really work that into the lashes. So I'm going to smudge that out with the pencil brush that I was using. And I am literally rocking out in this entire makeup tutorial. That's CLinique's High Impact Mascara, rocking out to Backstreet Boys, Everybody's Back, and NSYNC's I Want You Back. Yes, quick little backstory. Literally love them so much. My room was covered top to bottom in posters. There was literally nothing left, any space left on the walls for anything else but Justin. Well, basically Justin Timberlake. Yes, I love it. Me and my friend in 5th grade memorized the dance moves to I Want You Back. We were always singing and roller skating, and ooh, yes, memories. I still love NSYNC and Backstreet Boys. So even though I'm 33, It's awesome. So, yes, that's the look, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as that product list. Stay tuned for more looks using the GLAM Color Block eyeshadow palette from LaColors.